Good morning. Your assignment today is to program this spreadsheet to calculate the radius, volume, and density of the various cylinders you measured in lab last week. Data from your lab results are to be entered into these blue fields here. I'll type in a couple of numbers for station 1. These are just made up, so of course you should not copy them, but I'll use 0.95 for the diameter, I'll use 3.1 for the height, and 5.95 for the mass. These are the same values that are used in the example value in row 2. To program the radius, you simply click on the cell for that row and use equals to indicate that a formula is coming, followed by clicking on the diameter value, which is in B3, and then a division symbol and the number 2. This is going to take the diameter in B3 and divide it in half to make the radius. There you go. To calculate the volume, you have to use the formula pi r squared. So again, we use equals to indicate that a formula is coming. We then proceed to type in a number for pi, 3.14 works. And this is a set of multiplications. So we'll multiply by, multiply by the radius, which you have here, times the radius again, which you also have here in cell E3, and then of course times the height, which is in cell C3. Pi times radius times height, pi r squared h. Hit enter, and you have a volume value. Calculating the density is simply the mass divided by the volume. You're going to go equals to make a formula, type on the mass to indicate that you wish that value, that's in D3, divide it by the volume you just calculated in F3 by clicking on that value, and hit enter. We now have programmed the spreadsheet for the 3 quantities that you are required to calculate. Highlight all of them, adjust your decimal points down so that they're equal to 2, and you're ready to do the next row. Good luck.